You're so busy. Doing what? Looking back a year from now, are you going to say, wow, I really wish we would have done more homework or more sitting at the sports game all weekend long so that we could never actually go hiking or to the beach or to the orchard? Because we're so busy. We're always behind. This is where we're calling for a shift of the new earth, starting to work together, build our communities of like-minded beings who thrive together. We want to live in harmony and unity with the earth. I see it coming. But we have to initiate the change. It has to come from within us. There's no magical beings coming down to do it for us. We're the ground crew. We've got to do the work. As much as it would be fun to sit in the office and dictate and tell everybody else what to come do for us. I wish it worked that way, but no, it doesn't. All right, let's do another life clearing. Let's connect in with Shuri. Permission, yes. There's lots of the same today. Sabotage, triage care overlay embedded in your spleen through your heart chakra, causing discernment, elevation, distortion, mind control program overlay, hijacking of your heart center. Okay? So your body's ready to let that program go that's causing some issues and imbalances in your body. And there's some that have some really great meditations with them now that have been very powerful, and workbooks to support you. Monica says, I guess you needed to have those very evil experiences and you survived and it made you who you are today. She's talking about living in the haunted house and having a very difficult journey so far. And absolutely, I have had a really interesting week. This is my last day in Montana, and I don't know if I'll be back unless I'm called here. Just thinking of all of the horrible traumas and difficulty that we've been through, or I've been through, particularly living here. We lost our daughter Grace here. I was very sick and diagnosed with Lyme disease. Pretty much lost 2 businesses because I was so sick and couldn't work anymore. And now I do this, which I love, and it's really aligned to me, so I'm grateful. And we healed here. Somehow we healed in this dark, a place that feels very dark for me. And we did it. And so there's all these mixed emotions. And I see that being here made me who I am. And if I didn't have these experiences and be born into this harsh, barren land controlled by dark patriarchy in the spiritual realm, I wouldn't be who I am today. And we wouldn't be where we're at with the ascension.